Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find and add the trending effects to a video in CapCut PC. So I've already added a video to my CapCut PC and I'm going to just go to the effects. And to see the trending effects, you can just go to the video effects and here you can see there is a trending section here at the top of the effect and you can just explore which one that you want to use. For example, I want to add this hollow blur effect. You can just click on the plus icon here, then it will be automatically added to your video like that. And if you want to add the trending effects, as favorite in your CapCut PC, just click on the star icon in the effect like this, and it will be added to your favorite effect. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.